How to add inner or outer glow in Photopea. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add inner or outer glow in Photopea. Just follow me as I show you how to do so. The first step is to log in into your Photopea account just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you would see options like new projects, open from computer, templates, or drop any files here. You can just select the one that works for you. But for me, I'll be going with new project. Once you click on the new project, the templates available will be displayed to you, or you can just decide to start from the scratch by clicking on the create icon by the left side of the screen. Whichever one, just select the one that works for you. For me, I'm working with this template which says hello world, what a beautiful day. So once you've selected a template, the next step is to select the image or the text that you want to add an inner glow or an outer glow to. So I'll be selecting this hello world text right now, and then once you've selected it, I just go ahead and highlight it this way. And then once you've done that, the next step is to move to the lower part of the screen, that is by the right side, lower part of the screen, where you can see different options or different icons representing the delete folder, rester marks, etc. And then go ahead and click on the EFF icon. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed showcasing options like blending options and stroke, inner shadow, inner glow. Alright, just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on inner glow, and that box will be displayed. In the box, you would see how you can now edit this inner glow. How do you want it to be? How do you want it to blend? Do you want it to be screen? Do you want it to lighten? Do you want the opacity to be very high? Do you want to add noise to it? Do you want to make it a gradient? Okay. Or do you want it to be soft? Just edit this the way you want, and then click on OK, and then just like that, the inner glow will be added. All right, as you can see. And then if you also want to add an outer glow, you'll have to follow the same process. Just select the text, and then once to the lower part of the screen, click on the EFF icon, and then the box displayed select outer glow, and then you can now see options of how you can edit the outer glow. And then once you've selected it, click OK, and just like that, the outer glow will be added as well. So this is basically how you can add inner or outer glow in Photopea. Note that this applies to both text and images. Go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching.